Hi, so today's topic is how to employ in a marketing agency. As we said earlier, a great way to start your career is freelancing or getting a job in a marketing agency. Today we are going to talk about the second option. Marketing agency owner is much smarter in marketing than the small business owner. What does it mean? In freelancing, as we said before, your task is to find small business owners who are not strong in technical things and setting up advertising. Sell them your ad services and show them the results. If we talk about marketing agency, it will be experts who know marketing better than you. So, in this case, the marketing agency owner is your customer, but you need to sell yourself like a beginner but a prospective specialist. Accordingly, when applying for a job, it is important for you to voice the level of knowledge and skills and be ready to learn. Most marketing agencies want to hire all-in-one marketing specialist, because a marketing agency has complex tasks for the project, such as website creation, setting up Facebook and Instagram ads, SEO, email marketing, and others. So, if you don't have more than 2 marketing skills, you may try to employ in a marketing agency, but you should be ready to learn. How to find marketing agency owners, contact them, and discuss hiring opportunities. The best way is to search on LinkedIn. You enter a request into the search, select people and location. Then you can look through the pages of the users, send an invitation to connect with a message. A LinkedIn search query can start with words like digital marketing agency or marketing agency, and then you add owner, founder, CEO, co-owner, co-founder, and other appropriate keywords. Also, you can use filters like this: profile language, industry, service categories. I would also add that you may contact the owners of small marketing agency that do a limited type of marketing services. This can be either Facebook or Instagram ads, or just Google ads, SEO and SEM, outdoor advertising, or TV advertising. That's why it's important to check the profiles of marketing agency owners you find and the agency's profiles. Page profile of the agency often has a link to the website that you can visit, or just check info about this agency in Google. Also, there's another important point. Pay attention if the marketing agency owners have added a photo frame hiring with a purple background. These are the ones to whom you should write in the first instance. What you can write in the invitation to connect. Hi, I'm a junior digital marketer looking for a freelance job in a marketing agency. I can run Facebook ads, do email marketing, chatbots, and create landing pages. I can do a test job for free. If you are interested, let me know. And your name. That's enough. In case when you write to the owner of the marketing agency that has several projects but not enough executors, you can get a very quick response. And so your home task. Send the invitation to 100 marketing agency owners, contact and communicate with them. This way you can find job, or at least gain new contacts, experience and knowledge. It is also possible that the agency owner can't offer you a job right now, but he or she can keep your contact and get in touch with you in the future, and you can also ask for helpful advice. See you in the next video.